morning. Happy weekend.
Happy Monday.
Weekend.
Monday. Hello Tuesday and Monday. Hello guys. It's
Gawa tayo ng kape. Si Daddy yung gagawa ng breakfast ng kids this morning.
episode.
Tayo gawa tayo ng kape. Kay Bento.
The toast is ready.
Ayan, they're there you guys playing basketball. Mag-edit muna tayo habang mamaya pa naman tayo aalis. Sinabi ko ba, magla-lunch kami today. Full day ang schedule ni Buntis today, you guys. Full on week. So, kailangan ko rin mag-rest niyan. This coming week. But, yeah, anyway. So, today, magla-lunch kami with the family nga. May birthday party kami sa hapon. Tapos, ihatid na ako ni Ben diretso din sa dinner namin nila Manay. Oh, di ba? Napokus ko kayo. Yeah, we have dinner tonight dahil gusto naming mag-fine dining restaurant. So, magpa-fine dining restaurant kami tonight at 5:30. So, yung birthday, lunch at 12 to 2. And then we have a party at 3 to 4. And then I have my dinner 5:30. Diba? Si Ben, mag-order na lang daw siya ng pizza for them tonight. And yeah. Last night we had fun, so it's just really the kids played. I was gonna bring Riker, kaso nga natulog na siya. Alam ko matutulog siya sa car kapag hinatid nila ako. Nagtanong nga siya, sabi niya, kasi sabi ko, well, I'm gonna go to the festival. She said, what about me, Mom? Sabi ko, you're gonna fall asleep, and he did. And pag uwi, nagising din, sabi ni Ben. Pero maaga rin sila natulog. Makatulog naman kaagad kagabi. So, ang daming tao sa city. Kasi, long weekend kasi, siya. What is it on Monday, babe? Adelaide Cup. Adelaide Cup, ate. Yeah, Adelaide Cup.
Who are you talking to?
The vlog. The guys. It's Adelaide Cup tomorrow, on Monday. So, walang pasok. So, Tuesday na. Makapahinga-pahinga tayo. Dahil wala na akong labahan. Tupi na lang. Yung dalawang load na ginawa ko kahapon. And I don't have to rush to do the grocery tomorrow because I normally do my grocery Sunday. And yeah, kasi wala namang pasok ng Monday. Ang ganda ng weather. Tignan niyo yung dalawa.
Daddy.
Wow, ang saya niyo dyan, ah.
Daddy. I get our thumbs in here.
You put them in because you tipped them out.
I'll
That's
sit in
not
the
Daddy's
sun.
job. Yeah, do you want me to get a chair on you?
Yes, thanks. Pinagkasya ko pa talaga itong dress ko na to, no? Wear something pink daw kasi sa birthday. So, ayan. Ito yung ating bag. Pero, mag-sandals na lang ako. So, yeah, let's go. Ayan, we're up to Tenepec Creek Winery, you guys. 11:16 na. So, we'll be right there on time. We're gonna have pizza. Eh?
Hawaiian and a supreme, please.
Yes.
Okay.
They have gluten, di ba? Gluten-free naman, no?
Oh shit. Do they?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, let's get the
Ayan,
Hawaiian.
nakapink din si ate, pink top and pink shorts. Riker have kind of like a pink shorts. So, si daddy lang ang naiba. Pero okay lang naman siyang pink. We're nearly there, guys.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
One Tree Hill. That's a
No
show.
one else makes me feel
In
this way.
America.
Don't know what
Oh, you got a footy ball, hi.
She's excited.
You got a footy ball. You're gonna see some animals here.
I have. Look me in the eyes. I'll stay here with you.
There, yeah. It's in the shade.
Hold me.
Ayan, ang ganda, no? It's beautiful. And then there's grass area and may animals din ganyan.
Mommy, can
All that we have.
Yes, baby. Did you unlock your, did you unbuckle yourself na, baby, eh? It's beautiful. Hindi ko nilagay yung mic ko, guys. Bahala na kayo. I'll get you, baby. Oh, daddy will get you. Oh, it's so nice. It's a beautiful day. Ayun na yung kiddos. Are you doing roly-poly? Beautiful, Baba. Where's the animals? Hey? They're normally here. They're probably right at the back. Okay, show them. Oh, wow. Nag-roly-poly na siya. Oh, sige. Mga talaga pag wineries kapag may sa kids kasi nakakatakbo lang sila sa grass area. I know they're probably right at the back there. I know you're happy. I'm happy. We're sitting outside too. So kasama rin pala yung uncle and auntie ni Ben. Kapatid ni mother. Ayan, nag-order na ako, guys. So si Ben and Riker and and Halling's there. Still, ayan, inorderan ko si Ben ng sparkling Shiraz. And then si mom ng Sauvignon Blanc. Wala lang silang mocktail dito. They don't have like a mocktail drink for, non-alcoholic drink. They only have card. Yeah, they only have
I
card.
only have cards.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna. Do you want
I'll just
water?
have water.
There's your water. There's your water. I've got one.
Ayan, si Auntie Marie binigyan siya ng malaking coloring book and look at all the pencils. Coloring pencils. So ito na lang yung kay Riker yung tracing. Ay, sinara. Pizza. Ano niya naman dito, pizza. Ay, hindi ko na-videohan yung bruschetta, di ba?
Because Dan Purdy probably
Ito na, kumakain na si Riker.
is injured.
Is it yummy? Ayan, tapos na yung lunch namin with the family, guys. So we're off to a birthday party na. 2:20 na. Si Riker for sure matutulog yan. Then yung tulog na ba siya? Makita. Hindi pa yata. Ayay.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, that's nice. Relax.
Good idea. You deserve it.
The push will be on a roll at the office. And they'll be like, 10 more minutes. And then they'll be like, he's shocking for that. That's like when he's working and he's really focused, lazy, then he'll be like, just an hour. And then I just let it go. I know he's...
Oh, I wouldn't get away with that.
I know he's like in the zone,
I wouldn't get away with that.
Well, I let you sometimes.
I'd be in big trouble.
When you've been I'm like, come on.
I know.
My poor mum gets a call,
I know, you just...
Open wide.
Yeah, I'll get that way. Oh my
Ika.
god, seriously, Ottoman.
Is that good?
Ayan you guys, tapos na kami sa birthday. On the way na kami sa Windy Point, sa restaurant. So nagpa-drop na lang ako sa kanila kay Ben and the kids because ayoko mag-drive tonight. And so mag-Uber na lang ako pa-uwi ulit like last night. So as if naman mag-drink. Pero ayoko kasi nag-drive sa hills, lalo na ngayon buntis ako. So, dadrive lang ako pag kailangan ko talaga mag-drive. But, kung may mag-drop naman sa akin, pa-drop ako. Medyo windy kasi doon. It's windy no, babe? Ha? It's windy there, no? Yeah. Very steep kasi. So, yeah. Kinain ko lang pala doon is kutsinta and ube kalamay. Biko. So, nag-dessert na lang ako doon.
Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're
nandito na rin sila guys.
Get McDonald's. Don't tell mummy on the way. Nuggets.
Buisit, pinabwisit na ako guys. Bye kids, be good to Dada.
Mommy, have a nice day.
Oh, thank you,
Oh,
Lord.
that's
I don't know if you guys
beautiful.
heard that. She said, have a nice
Oh,
day.
that's
Have a nice night.
Yeah.
Love you. Love you.
Have a nice
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, love. Love you, Riker. Ayan, dito tayo, Windy Point. Ay, wall pala. Okay, guys. Ang ganda ng outfit ang Anday.
Para siyang si Hart na.
Yeah.
Gaganyan-ganyan.
Usapan fine dining. Ang ganda naman. Wala, tayo lang naman eh. Di ba?
Papunta dito.
First time.
Pag nag-heels, di ba, hindi umaakyat dito eh. Dun.
Yeah, pero kalahati lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya taas
Okay
sa
lang.
taas.
Yan.
Pero from you, dumaan ka rin sa hilid talaga? Or sa... Hindi, doon naman din, di ba?
Doon lang din.
Oo.
Pa Mario.
Anong inano mo in order mo dyan? Ano in order mo dito?
Raspberry frizz
fizz,
ata.
oo.
Yeah.
Fizz.
Fizz.
Di ba?
Face.
Black siya, white siya ako. Ano,
Fake
at
ID.
least
Ano
may,
pang fake
may,
ID?
may color.
Ang funny. Kasi kami kanina nag-uusap kami ni Manay. Sabi niya, ano kaya susuotin ni Mars? Sabi niya, magpi-pink yun. Hindi yun mahilig
Sa
sa pink.
restaurant.
Sabi niya, mahilig yun sa pink. Meron yung pink na blazer.
Kasi kan pink yung party. So,
Never
sabi,
kitang nag-pink.
Hindi nga rin ako
eh.
mapag-pink.
Kasi hindi ka mahilig. See?
Hindi ako mapag-pink.
Pero tama.
Paglabas sa
pero
kanya.
may pink naman ako.
Pero may sir, may pink,
May pink
kasi yung
ako,
ano,
pero hindi
party
ko
na
choose.
pinuntahan niya.
Oo.
Kaya, sabi niya,
Yes.
On top, pepperberry pearls.
Ayan.
Next, you have a mushroom and cheddar tart
Yeah.
with a pickled mustard sauce, high, a little bit sweet there.
yeah.
And mato arancini
Yes.
with the sauce for the day.
Arancini.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Para cook.
Now, you've got the milk bun loaf with pepita seed. Next to that is a whipped butter with smoked salt.
Nice. Looks
And
nice.
then we finish at the end with a watermelon soup shot. So light, refreshing.
Let's start with this, you guys. Nakalimutan ko na sana ni Kuya dito. Yeah, pandutakon. Very, very pearls. Very, very pearls.
Pinakataas?
Sa pang-apat. Diyan naman.
Mushroom tart.
Sunod niyan.
Apple.
Yeah.
Yung sa akin naman, iba yung tawag. Di ba? At sabi ko yun sa'yo, ang sarap din.
Japanese kasi yun sa'yo, di ba?
Masarap.
Sarap.
Masarap kasi yung ano niya, may pepper ba yun? Mm. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Ano? Safe pala kami, no?
Mango ka ba, Pasha?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Ito naman. This one is, ano na to siya? Mushroom tart pickles. Yung arancini lang.
Yeah, chini lang.
Yeah, that one. Sauce bread.
Yung beef. Sarap. No?
Ayan, arancini yung akin. Sa kanila kasi deli, so beef raw. So, yun. Hindi ba lang yung akin? Ayan, nakalagay guys. Pregnant. Ubus ang aming ano, snack. On tray na kami yan. So, ano sa inyo? Ako ito. Yung ocean trout. So, beef tartar daw das Inday. Which one's yours? Chicken ka?
Hot smoked ocean trout with beetroot, horseradish, and avocado.
Thank you. Yes, may avocado and beetroot. Yum. So, yung chicken mo. Chicken ka din. Oo nga pala. Hindi na kayo mag-ano.
Hindi na kami
Ay, yung chicken nila. Hi guys.
Sino nasa kaya dito si Gilbert? Kasi may Gilbert. Gilbert sa friend. Kaya nga.
Tama nga.
Second.
May cucumber din.
Siya Gilbert River chicken. Concept. Parang fresh.
Fresh niya. Refreshing.
Sa yung second natin.
Yeah. Pang break ng ano, sa palate mo. Yun na yun. Yes, thank you. Yum. Pareho silang steak, guys. O, tama-tama lang yung laki, no? 150. Kain tayo. Wala pa yung sides namin. Darating pa lang.
British cream, smoky barbecue, and béarnaise sauce.
Oh, ito yung akin.
Local beans for the table.
Oh, beans nga siya dahil.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Pleasure.
Ayan yung dessert na pala kami, guys. Oh. Ito yung panakota. Ito yung honey gato. Harigato. Ayan din, dumidilim na. Ang ganda. Ayan. May chocolate platter pa pala. Ang cute. Look at the view, guys. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay. Nalinintay ko lang yung asawa ko. Buksan ako dahil iwanan ko ang aming susi.
Tulog na yun.
Hindi. Mabilis lang yung magising.
Asan yung sa inyo, Day?
May paregalo pa siya na. Si Manay. Yes, thank you. Open na. Ayan, bigay ko pala to kay Manay. Kasi hindi ko na ito malalagay sa aking shake. Sayang naman. Natid kasi nila ako dahil nagla ako ni Ben kanina. Hanay! Ayan. Regalo ni Tita Manay niya sa kanya. Mga gising pa to mga to. Ano na, 9:30? Bigay natin. Sakit itong creatine ko. Hindi, ayaw naman to ni Reyes kasi ayaw niya naman magmaso. Pamaso.
See you, Day.
Ingat! Ingat kayo.
Thank you.